Hi, my name's Ryan. I'm from Canada, and just had a little adventure at the Big Banana, just outside of Coffs Harbour in New South Wales. It's a perfect little family place. Perfect family place. Um, we started off with, I guess, kind of a bobsled type ride. It was all metal, so it wasn't, you know, like a Canadian bobsled. It was a metal slide, and they've got obviously little things that you ride down on. They're hard. They're not little blankets. It's actually like a little hard type bobsled with wheels on it. And you slide down. It actually picks up some pretty good speed. It was pretty fun. Then after that, we went for skating. There is an ice rink there, so you can go skating and feel like a Canadian again. And they do rent skates there as well. So that was a nice experience. From there, we went to some water slides. So it was a great way to cool off in the sun. They've got different sizes of water slides, different sizes of bouncy castles for kids and whatnot. They also have lots of barbecues. So if you want to have a barbecue afternoon or barbecue day, you can do that as well. And they also have a walk through a banana plantation, and so you can see the bananas growing and see the plantation. That was really cool. And from there, you can go down into a gift shop. So they have a gift shop there. It's a very big gift shop. And they also have frozen bananas, chocolate melted over top of banana with nuts or sprinkles on them. And that was very nice. That was very enjoyable. If you're in Coffs Harbour, or if you're out traveling with your family, check out the Big Banana. They've got lots of attractions there, and they're growing a lot. In September, they're putting up a lot of big water slides, so they're expanding quite a bit. So there's more to come.